Isang maganda, mainit at maaliwalas at maalinsangang araw ng Miyerkules. Medyo makulimlim pero hindi daw tayo apektado ng bagyo. Meron daw tayong bagyo sa south, sabi ng Pag-asa. Ngayon ay April 14, 2021. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chidoro, bumabati ng isang magandang Miyerkules. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Nag-start po ako noong August of last year and binibigay ko rin po ang latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito and most active stocks. If you like the content, mag-subscribe po kayo sa aking channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want to be reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Meron po tayong balita sa pagbukas ng northbound section ng Skyway 3 mula doon po sa South, Susana Heights. At ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, April 14, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From the Philippine Star, San Miguel opens northbound section of Skyway Stage 3. Conglomerate San Miguel Corporation announced Monday that the northbound section of its Skyway Stage 3 project is finally open to motorists. Since Sunday afternoon, motorists can now use 2 out of the 3 lanes of the 4-kilometer northbound section for free, the company said in a statement. For now, only Class 1 vehicles including cars, jeepneys, and vans with RFID can ply the section which runs from Susana Heights in Muntinlupa City to Sucat in Parañaque City. Collection of toll fees is suspended until further notice, the company said. Our long-term solution to addressing traffic, particularly on SLEX heading to the Alabang area, has finally been realized, Ramon Ang, President and COO, was quoted in saying in the statement, "We are excited for you to finally be able to feel the benefits of this new project," he added. San Miguel said the newly opened section allows motorists from key areas like Laguna, Batangas, and Cavite, which collectively account for the big chunk of gross domestic product, to take a direct link to the elevated tollway from the South Luzon Expressway or SLEX without having to use the Alabang Viaduct. The 3-lane northbound section will allow additional capacity of 4,500 vehicles per hour, the company said, and cut travel time from SLEX to the North Luzon Expressway to just 25 to 30 minutes from the usual 2 to 3 hours. We are confident that this will further reduce congestion along EDSA and usher growth to provinces in the southern Luzon and beyond, Ang said. So that's our good news from the San Miguel Corporation or SMC. And now, tingnan po natin ang balita natin or ang nangyari sa ating PSE ngayong araw. The PSEI gained 65.42 points. That's 1.01% higher than the previous close. And if we'll take a look, it is a recovery green candlestick. And if we'll take a look at the support is still here at 63.81 to 6,400. The nearest resistance of the PSEI would be here at 66.50 to 66.60. So there is a recovery today, and if we'll take a look at the market summary on the market activity, 111 companies advanced, 81 declined, while 55 remained unchanged. The all-share index registered a 0.78% increase, while all the sectoral indices were in the green. This was led by the financial companies, which gained 1.81%, followed by the holding companies at 1.17%. Okay, so now let's review the following stocks. Let's review SMC, DDMPR, ALLHC, ALI, BDO, SMPH, SM, MEG, Ayala Corporation, and URC. So let's now start with SMC. Ito yung merong Skyway project. Now, SMC had a red candlestick and it had a support. Now, the support is at 114 to 115 pesos. It gained 20 centavos from the previous close, but it is a red candlestick with sentiment of sideways to bearish, more on the bearish side, as the RSI is at 40.47. Then DDMPR. Okay, DDMPR had a short, DDMPR ended flat at 221. It opened at 221 also. Based on our limited data, our resistance is at 228 and the support is at 210 to 213. However, the good news here is that we have dividends, and it declared cash dividends of 0.02477718. That's about 2.005 centavos per share. And if we will compute it based on the closing price of 221, it's 0.99 or about 1%. So, swerte yung, actually hindi swerte, kundi maganda yung nakabili ng DDMPR na in a short time you were able to get cash dividends. And then ALLHC. Okay, ALLHC had a breakout with volume. It ended at 329 or 25 centavos up. That's 8.22%. And the last time it reached this price was January 11, 2021, or January 8 and January 11, 2021. So right now it is moving upwards as our indicators, the EMA 20, 50, and 100 are under the candlestick. The next resistance level of ALLHC will be at 360 to 370. After ALLHC, Ali. Okay, Ali had a red candlestick. It closed 5 centavos lower at 33.25. It pierced through our resistance level of 34.40, and the next resistance level to consider is at 32 pesos. The RSI is at 29.70, which is an oversold level. Actually, bababa yung mga stocks ngayon, no? So it's time to buy these stocks. Then after Ali, then BDO. I think BDO, yes, it had a recovery. It is engulfing candlestick, but the sentiment is also sideways to bearish still. And support is holding at 100 to 101, while the next resistance level is 111, at 111. After BDO, SMPH. Okay, SMPH had a red candlestick today, but it closed higher than previous close at 70 centavos up, or 2%. And I drew a Darbas box here since the resistance is at 37 while the support is at 34. And RSI is at 49. In general, it is moving sideways. Then SM. SM had a recovery from a short red candlestick yesterday, with support at 950 to 951, and the sentiment is bearish since the RSI is at about 46, at the 46 level. After SM, MEG. Okay, MEG had a solid red candlestick. It has been moving down since the past few days. It ended at 348, and the next support level that you may want to consider is at 320 to 330, or rather 330 to 340. And then Ayala Corporation. Okay, Ayala Corporation, I drew a trend line here with a slight overshoot. It had a green candlestick today, 1350 yung increase niya, or 1.79%. And it has been moving in the general direction of general downwards direction, since our indicators are below the candlestick. But in general, right now, with the price of 769, it is in general moving sideways. Finally, we have URC. Okay, URC had a short red candlestick, ended at 130 pesos. However, the price now is below our moving averages, which would indicate a bearish trend. But normally, this would be moving in a sideways to bearish movement, with a trend more of the bearish side. In the meantime, the support of URC is at 150 to 170. Yan po ang ating stock market report, April 14, 2021, sa isang maaliwalas at maalinsangang Miyerkules. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, reminding you an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at pagsubaybay. See you again tomorrow. God bless you and bye for now.